Hello everyone. As you probably know by now, my name is Tudor and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the IB program as a whole. Being international students ourselves, me, Rana, and Holly began this YouTube channel trying to give you, our viewers, a deeper insight into what this program is all about. Now that we have covered the main components of the course in individual videos, we thought we would wrap this whole journey up by taking a more detached look at the experience. First of all, I must start by saying that none of us have completed the course in its entirety, as we haven't yet taken the final examinations. Therefore, the opinions and judgments we have made are necessarily incomplete. Nevertheless, we believe they are still widely relevant to anyone starting or currently undertaking their academic journey as part of the International Baccalaureate. Our IB paths began back in year 11, before the start of the actual 2-year course. This was the crucial point where our school asked us to make preliminary choices on our IB subjects. The school itself imposed that we took math, to some extent, English on a certain level, TOK, and completed CAS. However, almost everything else was our choice. In order to make this difficult choice, we went through course preparation and presentations and merit curricula looking for courses we might want to take. I say this was the first critical moment as it can make or break your IB experience. It can make it a wonderful adventure of pleasant learning or a depressing job that will haunt you for the next 2 years. Almost all of us in this group made some sort of mistakes when making our choices. Now, don't be alarmed, as these choices can often be modified at the start of year 12. But this isn't a pleasant experience that we recommend, as Holly can tell you. She had to change the type of math she took, and this meant she spent several grueling weeks catching up with what the other class had done. However, I will let her tell you more about this in her upcoming video. I made the error of choosing biology instead of physics, which I discovered later that I needed for university. Therefore, my advice to you would be to think very pragmatically about what universities you might want to apply to in the future and what courses they ask for, as it will save you a lot of hassle and disappointment. Don't necessarily choose subjects you enjoy or subjects where you like the teacher. The next big obstacle is keeping up with the rhythm of the teaching. As most of you have done IGCSEs or AS levels in the past, you know that the workload grows exponentially through the years, and this is markedly felt at IB. It is crucial that before beginning year 12, everyone has identified 1. The way in which they learn best. This could be visual, auditory, or written, just to name a few. It varies from person to person, and it's essential to identify what type of learning is most efficient for you before you start the program. This is because there is little room for mistakes or time management. It's a great challenge keeping up with all of your work and extracurricular activities, and so time management skills are crucial. 2. What you want to achieve. As there is very little spare time, it is essential that you identify what you want from the program. Aiming for a passing grade or aiming to complete easier courses is not incorrect. Often, universities only require an IB diploma in certain subjects, and so it's more worthwhile than to dedicate yourself to extracurricular activities rather than in taking complex courses. Once you have done all of this and began your learning journey, the last big hurdle before the final exams are the Ias and Extended Essay. In this area, I was very fortunate to have made the right choices, and I have greatly benefited as a result. It is crucial that you pick your EE in a subject that you enjoy, not necessarily one that you study at IB. For example, I'm writing my EE in history despite not having taken it as a subject at IB or IGCSE level. However, the huge boost in motivation that can come from doing something you enjoy can feel extremely rewarding and can help you accomplish my next point. Get started early. The sooner you have your first drafts ready, the better. I, for example, am going into my second year at IB with my EE practically done and 3 of my 6 eventual IAs in some stage of completion. The sooner you get the first drafts done, the sooner the teacher will be able to correct them and give you feedback, and so the higher the quality of the finished product. This directly translates to higher grades, which can give you a great boost to support the marks you receive in the exams. IAs can easily transform a B into an A or a fail into a pass, so don't overlook them. Just to end this off, I would like to say that this journey has been an amazing opportunity. Although you are going to hear more from my friends Rana and Holly, this is the last time you will see a video filmed by me. I would like to wish all of our viewers the best of luck in their examinations and a successful IB journey. Thank you.